Back in Norfolk again, where Charles Clark and his father, also Charles, are drilling keys and rolling them in using a Ford 4600 and Fordson E1A Major. Until about 5 years ago, the 85-acre family farm was run solely using Ford and New Holland power, and they're still used for a lot of jobs today. The 62 horsepower Ford 4600 was delivered brand new in May 1976 from Knights of Dis and took over the frontline role, doing everything from ploughing on steel wheels with a 3-furrow reversible to spraying. Its original engine went porous at about 600 hours, so a replacement was fitted, but it's only needed clutches and half-shaft seals since, and has now done over 9,000 hours. The 40.5 horsepower E1A Major dates from 1956 and was the first diesel-powered tractor on the farm. It's never had any issues and is still used for lighter jobs and yard work, as well as rolling with this 18-foot wide set of gang rolls. Charlie is slowing down through cloddier patches to ensure good consolidation is achieved. The 4600 still does all of the drilling, fertilizer spreading and some spraying as well as trailer work. It's favoured for drilling due to its light weight. The 3-meter Nordsten Lift-O-Matic CLE cultivator drill uses 2 rows of springtime coulters, which guarantee seed is sown at the desired depth even in difficult conditions. The Lift-O-Matic's automatic marker reversing mechanism swaps over the markers when the drill is lifted and lowered on the headlands.